Hello guys, I'm Jitendra Chaurasia. Welcome you to my channel, The Office Guys Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to explain you how can you create an animated data presentation slide in just PowerPoint. Let me just show you the demo what we are going to today. So here in this slide, you can see we have 4 topics. Topic 1, which is completed by 25%, and then we have topic 2, which is completed by 50%, and then topic 3, which is I think 65%, and then topic 4, which is completed by 75%. You can use this data to represent any sort of data that you have with you. So let's see how to design. Before I move forward, I have created these slides in 3 different color variations. This includes a light color, dark color, and a colorful theme. So you can go and check out. These files are available to download on my Gumroad page. And also, if you're looking for some free stuff to download, I have created a basic version which works exactly the same but limits in terms of color variations. So you can just go and check out the link given in the description box and you can download this template for free. You are ready to tweak this as required. So let's not waste any more time. I'm going to show you how can you create this slide. So let's begin, and I will take a new slide here. So right click new slide. In case you are seeing anything on your slide, make sure that you right click here, come to layout option and change it to blank. Thereafter you will not have anything on the screen. First of all, let me just create a couple of boxes just to fast up the process. So I will create a box like this. I will press Ctrl D on the keyboard and I will keep it somewhere here, and I will press Ctrl D a couple of more times to get 4 boxes. So let me just fill up the colors here quickly. So I have this red color, then I used this blue color, then I used this green, and then this green. I don't know what this color called, but there's a difference here. And shape outline, I just make real quick, no outline. Let me just copy the 4 boxes and take up it to the next slide. Okay, so here we go. So let's make it fast now. So I will take a circle first. Okay, so come to format option and you take the dimensions to somewhere around 6 and 6. This looks fine. Let me just take what is the size I used last time. So it was around 4.34. Okay, so I will go with the same size. So let's change the size of this circle to somewhere around 4.5 by 4.5. So here we go. So select this, come to format option, under shape fill, give it a white color, come to shape effect, shadows, and under inner option you have to give this center. And one more thing, I can see some blue line on the outline. So just like I'll come to shape outline and change it to no outline. Right click on this, format shape. So what I'm trying to do is the shadows are too much intense on the corners. I just want to reduce it. So I'll come to effects option, shadows, and I'll increase the transparency to somewhere around 70 looks fine. 75 looks fine. Yeah, 75 looks fine to me. So here we go with this, and I'll press Ctrl C and Ctrl V just to get a duplicate and come to align option. Make sure that align to slide is selected and click align to center, align to middle. Same way for this also, align to center and align to middle. I will take the top circle and I'll reduce its size a bit. Something like this looks fine to me. Let's just zoom in here, and I will come to shape effect, shadow, and I will choose outer and this option. Okay, so outer, let me just repeat one more time, shape effect, shadows, and outer. I'm thinking this is little bigger right now. I'll just reduce the side even bit. Now this looks fine to me. So what next? Now we're going to create this kind of shape here. So for that, what I'm going to do is, if you come to drawing option under home tab, you will find this shape here. Okay, partial circle. Take that, make sure you press shift on your keyboard and drag it like this, and let us bring it to in the center of page. So if you are unable to do that, you come to format option, align center, and align middle. That will do the same thing. Now let's just bring it to somewhere around here until it matches the outer circle, and Let me just fill up a color, shape fill. So I'll just choose the same color that we created. So shape fill, eyedropper, and I will give this color, and make sure that you don't have any outline on that. Yeah, looks fine. Now I'll select this smaller circle. I'll bring it to front. So here we go. We have something really close what we are looking for. So let me jump to the slide that I made earlier. So you can see we have a total of 4 different shapes. So what I'm going to do here is I will create one entirely with animation and everything, and then I'll just duplicate it. So let's create this first. So I will animate it now. So for that, come to animation tab, select this circle. Okay, select this circle, and you have to click under animation tab, you have to click wheel. So you can see it's working very nice. But if you see, if we change it to somewhere around, like let's say 25%, and if I give the animation now, you'll notice it's not working the way we want it to work. Let me just show you again. If I give animation wheel, we can see now it's not working the way we want it to work. Now, what is the trick here now? So I will press Ctrl Z until we come back to the previous position. And now what I'm going to do is, you can come to the home tab, under drawing options, you select basic shape oval and draw a circle like this. It can be of any size, no need to worry much, but let's draw it, but it should be a perfect circle. So right now it is 6.19 into 6.19, not an issue. Come to align it to center and align it to middle, and let's just resize it a little bit. Okay, you need not to worry for that. Now right click it, send to back, and now select this as well as this. Okay, so I will move it to show you what the 2 things I'm selected. So this blue circle and this red partial circle I'm selecting. Right click it and click group. Now again align it to center and align it to middle. Now how is going to help us, we will see in a minute. Select this blue circle. Okay, so if you click once, you will select the group. If you select one more time, you will select the circle. So come to shape fill, click no fill, shape outline, no outline. So practically speaking, that circle is still there, but we are unable to see it. Now I will double click here. I will change it to, let's say it's less than a quarter. Okay, now let's see if the animation still works. So I'll come to animation tab back again. I'll apply a wheel. Now we can see now the animation works really fine. So here we go. There is nothing much to do. Now I'll take insert. I will take a text box. I will drag a box here, and I'll change its font to Montserrat, and I'll name it, let's say 25%. I'll change it to bold, and I'll center it. Just reduce the size a bit and bring the text over somewhere here, and I want it to start from the top and come like this 25%. So I'll just bring this here and bring this like this. So now let's just see a preview if it works, if it is working or not. So 25, yeah, it's working very nice. So let's just press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to make a duplicate. I'll keep it somewhere here. Similar way, I'll just control and drag. Okay, so it's all your wish how you want to do it, and we can make 3 copies of it. Very nice. I'll select everything and I'll move it somewhere here. Fine. Now let's just quickly change the color of this red bar. So double click, you have to select it and change its color to I'll go with blue. This is, I think, some sort of green. I think teak it's called, yeah, dark teal. And then this one is going to be green. So let's just quickly change the percentages. So I think it is 50%. Let's make it 66. Let's make it 75. And how I'm going to do is double click here, bring it to somewhere around 50%. Double click here, bring it to somewhere around 66. Double click here, bring it to somewhere around 75. Now just to save time, I will take these text boxes from here. So it's a group. I'll press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So let me just show you a preview how it looks. So we have 25, 50, 60, 66, I'm sorry, 775. Yeah, this looks really nice. Let me just remove the animation from this so that I can show you from the starting. So we will deal with the text little later. What I want here is, I want the things to happen, these circles to come one by one, not, see, at this moment, all the four are present the moment we turn on the presentation. So what I want here is, I want first this to circle to appear. So I will open animation pane here. So I can see I have 4 groups total, group 9, 12, group 18 and group 24. So let me just first do animation on this. So I want it to appear first. So I will just click fade and I'll just move it on the top. And then I want this circle to appear, fade, and then I want this text to appear. Okay, so just remember the order. So first I want this circle, which is oval 5, then I want oval 6 to appear, and then I want group 9 to appear, and then I want text to appear. Okay, let me just show you a preview. So this is how it goes. First the circle comes, then the second circle comes, then we have this, and then we have the text with us. So okay, I'll just delete this because anyway we need to do it again and again. So let me just delete this, and then I want this group of text to come. So I will just want float in. Okay, yeah, that really looks nice. And what I just want to do here is, right now we need to click a couple of times. Okay, this shows first click, second click, third click. I want from here till here it should happen after previous. So as soon as one animation finishes, I want it to go automatically. So as soon as the first animation finishes, I want everything to go one after another. So let's take a preview. In fact, this group 29 also I want to come with after previous. So let's see how it looks. So very nice, 25 and topic 1. So I think that's pretty much, yes, it's going well, 25 and topic 1. So now it's very easy. Let's just drag it this side, and I will bring the text box this way. Okay, and I will change the text orientation to this side, and then I will move this bottom, and then once again I will select this and I will move to this side. Or what you can do is, you can just select this and you can move it down. Now just quickly change the color so that it goes fine. So let me just take a quick preview how it looks like. So topic 1, fine, 25. Okay. So right now it's automatically, everything is going automatically. I'm not doing anything on keyboard or mouse, anything. It's working automatically. So that's what the concern now. I want when the topic 1 entire finishes, the topic 2 should come when I click. Okay. So let's just deal with that. Okay. Before I do that, let's just change its percentages. So I'll bring it to 50. I'll bring this to say 66, and I'll bring this to somewhere around 75, and I will change the related text also 50, 66, 75, and also at the same time I will change its color to match the theme. So this is blue, teal and green. Okay, so let me just come up again to back to animation pane, and we will see what is happening here. So you can see oval 5 and till text box group 29 was the where we have done it. So when it comes again oval 2 to oval 32, what you have to do is you have to come to animation tab and you have to click on click. Similar way again group 29, group 38. So group oval 41, again you have to change it to on click. Group 59, you have to click on click. So let me just see what happens. Yeah, it starts automatically. Topic 1. Now you can see nothing is coming. So as soon as I click any key on the keyboard, we will get the second. Then again I'll press any key on the keyboard, and you will notice we have topic 3. And then as soon as I can press any key on the keyboard, we'll get topic 4. And let me just quickly put in some title here, and let me just slightly change the format background so it looks a little nice. So I'll just, instead of using exact white color, I'll just use a little off white color to give it a good contrast. So here is a final preview that we have. So here we have this slide: title 1, topic 2, topic 3, and topic 4. So that's all guys for today's tutorial. I hope you like the video, and before I end this video, I also like to thank all of you for supporting my channel. And as a part of that, I have also made this template available to download for free on my Gumroad page. The link is given in the description box, and you can go and check out the other cool stuff also on my Gumroad page. So thanks once again.